In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create quick arrows in AutoCAD without any accompanying text. This is a handy skill to have, especially when you're looking to simplify your drawings and speed up your workflow. Let's dive in and get started with this easy method by creating a custom leader style. First things first, we need to create a new leader style. This is crucial because it allows us to tailor the arrows to our specific needs, without the usual text box attached. To do this, you'll want to begin by typing the command leader style into the AutoCAD command line. This command is your gateway to creating or modifying existing leader styles. Once you've typed it in, hit Enter to proceed. Upon initiating the leader style command, you'll be presented with options to either create a new style or adjust a current one. For the purposes of our task, we'll go ahead and create a new style. This ensures we can make all the necessary changes without affecting any existing settings you might have. Next, focus on the Leader Structure tab. Here, you'll see an option labeled Automatically Include Landing. Make sure to disable this feature. By turning it off, you ensure that any leaders you create won't automatically come with a landing line. This is exactly what we want, as it keeps your arrows clean and straightforward. Afterwards, head over to the Content tab. Here, you'll want to select the multi-leader type. Change this setting to None. Doing this removes any text box that would usually accompany your arrows, giving you that simple arrow-only look we're aiming for. Now let's turn our attention to the Leader Format tab. This is where you can customize the appearance of your arrows in greater detail. If you wish, adjust the arrowhead size and pick a symbol that suits your design preferences. This customization step is entirely up to you and can be tailored based on the specific needs of your project. Once you're satisfied with all these adjustments, simply click OK to confirm and save your new settings. Now, when you go to create leaders, you can select this newly crafted leader style from your list. The result is beautiful, custom arrows, ready to enhance your drawings with precision and style. And there you have it. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've learned how to create arrows in AutoCAD without any attached text, streamlining your design process. We hope this tutorial helps you in your future projects. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.